When will enough be enough? Can you tell me? To you it stops the pain, to me it's all the same. You destroy the ones you love just to catch a buzz. When will you stop and think of us? Sitting there all messed up while we are stuck picking the pieces up. When will enough be enough? Can you tell me? For you, it all started at a young age. The first time you rearranged the chemicals in your brain. It only took one time and you were hooked, constantly progressing on to harder drugs until you reached the one that spoke to you like no other had before. You wake up on the cold floor. Even still, you reach out and say, give me more. When will enough be enough? Can you tell me? When will enough be enough? Can you tell me? For me, it started when I walked in on you as you held a mirror. I saw you with a straw and tiny lines of powder lined up on the mirror. I had no idea at the time that your reflection would change, and so would the lines. I reached out to you, but it wasn't me you were seeking. Eventually the powder became rocks, and your world coalesced into a new darkness that only those who have chosen to dive deep into the abyss and ascend out of that hell to live and to tell. When will enough be enough? Can you tell me?